Imagine having an AI assistant that works 24/7, handling tasks, analyzing data, and making decisions, without a single line of code. No expensive developers, no months of waiting. Today, we're building a fully autonomous AI agent using N8N.io, a game-changing automation platform that simplifies AI development for everyone. Let's dive in. Today, we're building an autonomous AI agent using N8N.io, a versatile workflow automation platform that transforms AI development into an accessible process for everyone. An AI agent goes far beyond simple automation scripts or chatbots. These intelligent systems perceive their environment, apply reasoning to make decisions, and take independent actions to achieve specific goals. Modern large language models, LLMs like GPT-4, Claude, and Llama, now serve as sophisticated reasoning engines that power these agents, allowing them to understand context, plan multi-step actions, and learn from feedback. N8N stands out in the AI development space by offering a visual, low-code approach. It transforms complex LangChain operations, the framework behind many professional AI agents, into intuitive drag-and-drop nodes. This means creating powerful AI agents without writing endless lines of code. Every effective AI agent consists of 4 essential components. First, sensors serve as information collection channels, including chat interfaces for direct user questions, email or message monitoring, database change detection, and scheduled time-based triggers. Second, the reasoning engine acts as the LLM-powered brain that interprets context and intention, plans sequential actions, selects appropriate tools, and structures outputs for other systems. Third, actuators function as action execution mechanisms through API calls to external services, database operations, message delivery, and workflow triggering. Finally, memory systems retain context through conversation history storage, document management, database connections, and vector embeddings for semantic search. According to LangChain's research, over half of companies now use AI agents in production environments, with adoption rates similar across technical and non-technical industries. Organizations report faster information analysis, enhanced team productivity, improved customer experiences, and accelerated development cycles. Let's build our own practical AI agent, an intelligent data analyst that helps users extract database insights using conversational language instead of complex SQL queries. First, create an N8N account through their cloud service at N8N.io or self-host for complete control over your instance. With your account ready, either import the template, talk to your SQLite database with a LangChain AI agent, or follow our guide to build from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll build the agent step by step to understand each component thoroughly. We'll use the Chinook sample database for demonstration. Our initial workflow will download the sample database package, extract it from the compressed archive, and save it locally for agent access. Create a new workflow with connected nodes. Manual trigger for initialization. HTTP request for database download, compression for file extraction, and read-write files for local storage. Run this segment once to prepare the database for our agent. Now for the core agent functionality. We need a communication channel, so add a chat trigger node to create a natural language interface. Include a read binary file node to access our database, and configure a set node to combine user queries with database structure. The set node plays a crucial role by packaging everything our agent needs to understand both the user's intent and the available data. The critical step that adds intelligence to our workflow is adding a LangChain agent node with an LLM connection to providers like OpenAI or Anthropic, SQLite tool configuration for database queries, and memory settings for multi-turn conversations. This node gives our AI access to SQL capabilities while letting it determine when and how to use them based on natural language questions. For optimal results, choose analytical models like GPT-4 or Claude. Set a clear system message defining the agent's purpose, and configure low-temperature settings, 0.1 to 0.3 for precise responses. Complete the user experience with a text node to format responses appropriately and connection back to the chat trigger for seamless interaction. With this workflow, users can ask plain language questions like, show revenue breakdown by country, which customers spent the most last quarter, or compare product performance across regions. The agent interprets these requests, generates appropriate SQL, executes queries, and returns formatted results, without users needing technical knowledge. This same agent architecture works for numerous business needs. Customer service automation can handle routine queries, maintain conversation context, and escalate complex issues appropriately. Communication management systems monitor inboxes, categorize messages, draft responses, and prioritize important communications. Development assistance tools generate code suggestions, identify potential bugs, and automate repetitive programming tasks. Security monitoring agents analyze system logs, detect unusual patterns, and alert teams to potential security threats. When refining your agent, address inaccurate responses by improving system prompts with clearer instructions, reducing temperature settings for more predictable output, and including examples of desired responses in your prompt. For database access issues, verify file paths in the read binary file node, confirm database compatibility with SQLite tools, and check for database integrity problems. With performance concerns, select faster models for time-sensitive operations, limit database scope for more efficient processing, and add specific instructions to focus the agent's analysis. Follow these guidelines for effective AI agents. Start with focused tasks before expanding capabilities. Create detailed instructions in your system prompts. Implement user feedback systems to improve performance. Monitor common queries to identify enhancement opportunities. Be transparent about limitations to set appropriate expectations. Remember that AI agents work best as human augmentation tools, handling routine tasks while escalating complex situations to human experts. The power to build autonomous AI agents now sits in your hands. No coding required, no expensive specialists needed. This small tutorial unlocks massive productivity potential. Hit subscribe for more practical AI automation guides and drop a like if this helped you. Share your first agent building experience in the comments below.